I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bread bhaji. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 8 to 10 slices of bread, 1 cup of gram flour, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Also, have 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and salt ready. These simple items are the foundation for a fantastic snack. Now let's create the heart of our bhaji, the batter. In a mixing bowl, combine the gram flour, turmeric, red chili powder, baking soda, and salt. Slowly add about 1/2 cup of water, mixing continuously to avoid any lumps. Whisk until you achieve a smooth, thick consistency. This ensures your bread pieces will be perfectly coated for frying. Next, we prepare the bread for its transformation. Take 8 to 10 slices of bread and carefully trim off their crusts. This makes the bhaji softer. Then, cut each slice diagonally into 2 triangles or into 4 squares, as you prefer. Gently dip each bread piece into your prepared gram flour batter, ensuring it is completely coated on all sides. Finally, it's time to fry and enjoy your delicious creation. Heat about 2 cups of oil in a deep pan over medium heat. Once hot, carefully place the batter-coated bread pieces into the oil. Fry them for 2 to 3 minutes, turning occasionally, until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Serve your hot bread bhaji immediately with your favorite chutney or ketchup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.